Drawing every warrior. Cat Day 8. Morningflower. Morningflower was a wind clan elder who served under tall stars. Leadership in the forest territories. She was born to Sageleaf and Runflight, with her siblings Ashfit and One Whisker. As an apprentice, Morningpaw was mentored by Tallstar. After earning her warrior name, she and the rest of her clan were exiled by Broken Star and Shadow Clan. While in exile, she gave birth to Cloudrunner's kids, Gorsakit, Storkit, and Quailkit. Because of her friendship with Fireheart, she spared him. When Wind Clan attacked ThunderClan for harboring Broken Star, Gorseball was murdered by Tiger Star when Tiger Clan attacked their camp. Morningflower avenged her son's death in the battle against Blood Clan. Afterwards, she retired to the Elder's Den and participated in the Great Journey. She fell ill when Mothwing accidentally gave the Elders tainted water, but recovered fast and retired to the Elder's Den.